Hi, now I'm going to explain you extraction of opinion mode and opinion target from online reviews based on WAM. To develop this web-based application, we used 5 softwares: front-end side JDK 1.7, Eclipse IDE. In this IDE, we created web-based application. Back-end side, we used MySQL and SQL log is the graphical user interface of MySQL. So to execute the web-based application, firstly we have to start Tomcat server. Once we started server, in console server startup it has to come. Next go to browser, localhost colon 8080 is the Tomcat manager and Tomcat port number. Next we have to open Tomcat manager, Tomcat username admin and password also admin. Here we have to select our application name. Co-extracting Excel upload 2.0 is our application name. In this project, two actors are there, admin and user. First we have to log in as admin using admin username and password. Then add reviews. We have to add reviews. Reviews are we are maintaining in Excel sheet like iPhone product name is iPhone. About iPhone product we are maintaining some set of reviews that we have to upload. So once I'm clicking add reviews, it's reading data from Excel sheet and it's written inside the database. Then we are storing inside the Hadoop storage also. To execute Hadoop storage, we have to open Syslin terminal 6 commands, and 6 commands we have to execute in visual window. To see the environment of Hadoop, these two URLs we have to copy paste and browse the file system. View reviews, whichever we uploaded, those reviews we can see in view reviews column. So here already product name Moto is there. Now we recently uploaded product name is iPhone. So your pagination is say 4041. We have to click. We can see the product iPhone reviews details. We can see, and then change password details and logout. Whichever admin is uploaded the Excel sheet iPhone, that iPhone reviews we can see in this Hadoop storage. iPhone reviews 2019 6/3/1643. Thus now we uploaded the Excel sheet. Next, user, we can do the registration, new registration, or we can log in as using existing user. Username Bharat and password also Bharat. Search keyword I'm giving iPhone. So iPhone reviews user can read, and based on that they can buy a product or OTWO extraction. In this thing we have to extract opinion target and online reviews based on WAM. So here I'm doing iPhone search. Based on reviews positive, negative, neutral, we can see the result. This product consists of positive remarks. You can buy this product like this. Our application is recommending us to buy a product. In that negative reviews 26%, neutral review was 0%, and positive is 73. So comparing to negative, neutral, positive is more. So the product we can buy is recommending. And based on keyword, for about this keyword, how many negative, positive also it's recommending. And the change password, user can able to change their password details, log out. Thank you.